Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 1st of February today, Wednesday, and let me remind you that it's a very important day today. The Fed meeting is on due today, and all the markets are awaiting the results and moreover the comments of Fed officials. While they are waiting, we will discuss the fundamental background of cryptocurrency market and, as usual, technical picture and forecast for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's start. We will start with an article by Artem Petrenko and Bitcoin. So, to sum up, Artem says that Bitcoin has been in upward trend since early January, and during the period, the cryptocurrency managed to reach a local high 24,000. However, it didn't manage to hold it, and buyers managed to nail that very level, but since then the situation hasn't changed dramatically. On the contrary, there is a local decrease in trading activity and weakness of buyers. Bitcoin failed to hold the 23,500 level and collapsed below 23,000. Let me note that the article was written yesterday. So, as a result, Bitcoin made a false exit of 22,900, 23,400 range, and the powerful decline in price at the end of yesterday's trading session confirms the growing strength of sellers. However, should we consider that temporary activation of bears the beginning of corrective price movement? Let's find out. So what were the factors of this price movement? One of the key factors of decline in the price of Bitcoin was a similar movement in S&P index, and the indicator fell to key support level of 4,000, and judging by technical metrics, it will continue to decline. And given the high correlation of Bitcoin and S&P, Bitcoin may follow the stock index. Another reason for the decline in Bitcoin quotes may be the data provided by coin shares, and according to analysts, companies and retailers have invested more than $117 million in Bitcoin products, the largest result since the beginning of 2022. However, it's important to note that more than 99% of this amount consists of open long positions, and the movement of the fear and greed index towards 60 confirms the emergence of negative sentiment, which can lead to increased volatility and impulsive price movements in order to knock out longs or shorts. And that very Fed meeting, which is due already today, could be a catalyst of a downward movement in the cryptocurrency. According to most forecasts, the rate will be raised by 0.25%, but the statement of department officials is much more important as usual. And here the markets can expect an unpleasant surprise as the PCE inflation index is much higher than expected. And this could lead to negative rhetoric from the Fed and dampen investment favor. It's also important to note that in the medium term, the vast majority of investors expect stock prices to update local laws according to a BBG survey. As for technical picture, let's have a look at the chart. As of Sunday's results, Bitcoin made a bullish breakout of 22.9, 23.4 trading area. The asset spent the first half of Monday in the consolidation movement, but with the opening of US markets, the price collapsed. As a result, Bitcoin formed a bearish absorption pattern, and from yesterday's already price movement dynamics, we can understand where the correction of the asset has come. We will see it very soon on the chart for the moment. And as for today, for yesterday, the cryptocurrency reached 22.5 level, where there was an activation of buyers who forced out sellers above 22.9. Despite the fact that the buyout took place, its end result raises a question about the strength and confidence of the bulls. If we look at the indicators, technical metrics, they start a recovery movement from the sideways, smoothly turning into a new bullish momentum. Given this, we should expect an attempt to restore the 23,000 level. If the asset gains a foothold above this level, the bullish idea to 24,000 will become relevant again. However, if Bitcoin closes below 23,000, the road to the 22.4 level opens for the bears, and with successful breakdown of this indicator, the price will go to 21.6. And if the downward price movement is accompanied by change in market sentiment, a retest of area 20.8 level is likely. So, as a result, Artem says that Bitcoin has very likely reached the peak of January bull trend at around 24,000. This month, the market sentiment has changed significantly, and Bitcoin has reached the overbought zone by most parameters. Given this, we expect a local correction, which will allow the asset to update local highs in the near term. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. So today, the 1st of February, and Bitcoin opened today at 23,082, and now it is trading at 23,084. So what does this mean? According to Artem's opinion, Bitcoin closed yesterday above 23,000 levels. So according to his opinion, it means that it will continue the bullish trend. However, very much will depend on the results and comments of Fed officials today. Now let's say a couple of words about technical picture of Ethereum and the article by Sebastian Seliga. So let's have a look at the chart. The Ethereum cryptocurrency rally had been capped at the level of 1,664 after the bulls hit the extremely overbought market conditions. The market continues the corrective cycle to the downside, as there is still wave C missing to complete the cycle. The nearest technical support is seen at 1,525 and 1,487. The key technical support is located at 1,350, and only clear and sustained breakout below this level would change the short-term outlook to bearish. Please keep an eye on the 1,487 technical support, as any violation of this level would likely extend the drop towards 1,345. But in order to do this, the volatility must increase significantly. So his trading outlook is the following. The Ethereum market has been seen making lower highs and lower lows since the swing high was made in the middle of August 22 at the level of 2029, and the key technical support for bulls at 1,281 was broken already, and the new swing low was established at 1,074. there is a clear test of the 50 weekly average located at the level of 1080. So any breakout below the moving average and weekly candle close below moving average will be considered as another indication of the downtrend continuation. If the down move will be extended, then the next target for bears is located at the level of 1000. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And today, 1st of February. And Ethereum opened today at 1583, and now it is trading at 1577. So it's still above the key technical support, even the technical support 1525. However, as we can see, it formed quite a big red candle, probably before the today's event. Well, anyway, all the charts can dramatically change after today's meeting and after the comments of Fed officials. So we will see the results tomorrow in our next review. As usual, I wish you profitable trading. I will be glad to see your comments and questions down below. Please feel free to leave them, and see you soon in our next review. Bye.